The government of Japan and Philippines has finalized largest maritime security project in which Philippine Coast Guard will receive Japanese ships. The Japanese government will order 5 large patrol ships from Mitsubishi Shipbuilding to enhance capabilities of Philippine Coast Guard. Poland has received final batch of Bayraktar TB2 unmanned aerial vehicles from Turkey. The contract stipulated delivery of 4 systems, each of which includes 6 aircraft and 3 ground control stations. The Russian Ministry of Defense has announced that during the period 11 to the 17th of May, the Ukraine Armed Force has lost 5 German-made Leopard 2A1 tanks. Among the Western-supplied tanks, Ukraine uses German-made Leopard tanks most. Yemen Houthi rebel have claimed responsibility for shooting down of MQ-9 Reaper drone. The incident was confirmed hours after footage surfaced online showing wreckage of modern combat drone. Russian Ministry of Defense unveiled its latest captured FV104 Samaritan armored vehicle, a medical evacuation vehicle from British Army. Russian forces swiftly transported FV104 Samaritan for restoration. After repair work, it will be showcased alongside other captured assets from Ukrainian armed forces.